Baba, I would like to discuss something with you. A few questions. Why people are not able to trust?
Why?
People are not able to trust and being receptive to others.
Who is not having trust? Why people are not receptive?
Myself.
See, just now I have sent a message to somebody with the trust that who will respond to me. When somebody calls me for a program, I'll ask them, send a message, I am there.
Okay.
With what trust you called me and said we should have a dialogue? You had a trust in me, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel there is no trust? Everybody in the world may not have.
Okay.
Some people have, right?
Okay.
It all depends on how do you deal with somebody.
Okay.
Assume somebody is not having trust, that means they had a bad experience.
Okay.
Or they may be not in frequency with us. Quite possible.
Okay.
Yesterday I gave a talk.
Okay.
There was Professor Bhatt. You were there?
Yeah, I was here.
He is a very senior man, right?
Yeah.
But we never go in together. I keep telling him whatever you are telling, I heard same thing at least 15 times.
Okay.
Comma, full stop, everything is same.
Okay.
It's boring. I told him straight at his face.
Okay.
You need a lot of courage to tell like that, right?
Yeah.
So he doesn't like me.
Okay.
Why should I bother about him? I have nothing to get from him, right?
Yeah.
He is a great professor.
Yeah.
At least he must have had ICPR chairman is not a small post.
Okay.
How many students would be under him? How many professors would be under him? Why when he is sending a message people don't attend his talks?
Yeah, they may be both.
Understood, right?
Um,
So he is under a belief.
yeah.
See, there are 2-3 people, organizers, part of it. We had a discussion also. I told him Hindu summit is not the word to be used. The word itself is not acceptable to me, I said.
Okay.
Why should you do a religious program? Correct?
Yeah.
I am not against religion. I am against gathering people in the name of religion.
Okay.
When I tell, I am 100% sure they are not going to listen to me.
Okay.
But still I will tell them. Because my views have to be put forth.
Okay.
Is it under a positive feeling that they are going to accept it with that trust I am speaking? No, I am not speaking with that trust. So what will happen? They will not include me in any of the organizing program. But they don't want to displease me, so they will put me somewhere. They will call me for lecture. All that they will do.
Okay.
So there is a trust. But the trust is that I am not going to be with them.
Okay.
That is also a trust. So they will not involve me in all that activity. But they trust that I will join them if they put my name. Because I don't want to displeasure them.
Okay.
Correct? So these are all like a tactics. Relationships are like that all the time.
Okay.
Even a mother to a child to mother, father, relatives around, friends. Everywhere where they know how to play depends on with whom you are dealing.
Okay.
That is known to everyone in this world.
Okay.
Sometimes you are so plain, you don't know how to assess somebody.
Okay.
You, or maybe the other person is so brilliant that they will not expose to you.
Okay.
They will tell, yeah, I am with you, I will do. I will not do like that. If I tell that I am with you, I will do it. If I am not, I will say I am not with you.
Okay.
Some people are not like that. They will tell that I am with you.
Okay.
One of the organizer, I spoke immediately after yesterday's program and said, why are you not there? Because your name appear every day. No, I don't want to displease them. How does it matter? You are actually displeasing is better or cheating is better? You are telling you are with you and then you are not there. Right.
Okay.
See, I can tell Adira, yeah, we can have a meeting. And when Adira speaks to me next time, I say electricity was not there. I can find some reasons, right?
Yeah.
Why should I do that? Instead of that, I can tell you, yeah, I am not with you. Don't call me.
Okay.
That's also fine. But
Okay.
who will like somebody?
A certain trust. If I know the frequency, unless he could make something valuable to the person I'm talking about.
See, everybody has value.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
For what? There are, at least today, one of my teacher expired.
Okay.
Who is my relative also. An elderly, knowledgeable Malayalam Pandit from my village. You must also gone. When you go to west side from my house, there was a Ayurvedic shop. Most of the people who went for camp also went and spoke to him also.
Okay.
He is with a long beard, Malayalam teacher who speaks only Malayalam.
Okay.
When immediately after knowing, many people post in the groups. That is to spread the message.
Yeah.
But their condolence will be posted.
Yeah.
How does it matter when you put condolence? None of his relatives are there in that group.
Okay.
It is only my teachers, my students, or maybe my friends. My relatives. None of their relatives are also there, not there. It's only my relatives. We all know them. But nobody is going to take this message and tell them their... How do we respond? I don't respond. Generally, I don't respond to such situations at all. Somebody asked me, why are you not responding? Are you ignoring? I said, I am not ignoring. I spoke to the relatives.
Okay.
That is what minimum thing I should do. There is no point in actually posting the messages to show that I am also concerned about all this. But you are not really concerned. You are only showing that you are concerned.
Okay.
When we look at, we know, oh, these people are like this. They don't actually care. But they pretend that they are caring.
Okay.
So most of the people in this world don't know how to respond.
Okay.
They may be good, we don't know. They may be good. But they may not know how to respond. That is not their fault.
Okay.
So some people who had the benefit of experiencing a different culture probably will think, yeah, this person is not responding. I also scolded sometime, Adira, you are not responding the way I expect, right?
Yeah.
That is to polish you as a student, not for me to get something from you. I don't care.
Okay.
But if you don't respond, if you don't acknowledge, see the Namibian people when they speak, I don't know, when they send, oh, we appreciate your concern. Every elderly person keeps telling this many times.
Okay.
Definitely by hearing, the younger children also will keep telling. We never use that in Malayalam. Malayalis also will not use that word.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be taught by elders.
Okay.
If you don't learn that, it is not that you are not concerned about, you are ignoring them, but those people who don't understand Indian system, Indian custom, Indian culture, they will think these people don't even appreciate us. No?
Okay.
See, today I have sent a message that tomorrow there is a program, right?
Yeah.
Immediately, the Namibian lady wrote, I will also join.
Okay.
But then I know they may not be able to even convert that IST into Namibian time. You know how many
Okay.
messages I keep sending thinking about how it will help them? See, today I have sent at least to 15 countries. All of them I convert the time and then send them the details.
Okay.
So I told them Namibia 11:30 is the time.
Okay.
We appreciate your effort of finding my local time. You know
Okay.
how much they are concerned about it.
Okay.
They know that I took an effort of converting it and sending it. So some people
Okay.
appreciate.
Hmm.
Some people don't even appreciate.
Okay.
So I am sure when I send next time, 3 times, 4 times I send, if somebody do not respond at all, what do? I keep on changing the tag before the name when saving the number.
Okay.
See how many people respond. To them, I convert them into, now 22 is coming. In my phone, 2022 prefix is there for them only. From 2022 January onwards, I will keep contacting.
Okay.
If they, based on the responses which they are giving for my messages.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So this is how everyone need a training. Everyone need to know how to correspond, how to respond, so that you get a reflection.
Okay.
Everybody reflects, but how do you learn how to reflect? Based on your parents, your situation, your environment. We, especially Kerala people, are very, very bad in communicating.
Yeah. Got
Therefore,
it.
what happened? And most selfish people,
Okay.
that the system is like that.
Okay.
Mostly people are selfish.
Hmm.
They don't want to share anything. They don't want to tell somebody else. They always think for me, for me, for me, for me, for me. My family, my group, my people. So,
Okay.
natural. Around you, there may be many people like that. That doesn't matter. But there are
Okay.
few people, still there are few people, there are many people who does it.
Okay.
World is a business world. See, when I talk to somebody in Dubai, they have a group of people. The given instruction that you should not talk to the teacher directly because they are into business.
Okay.
Where I am doing it free.
Okay.
So they feel that when I deal with them, their business will be lost. It's a strict rule.
Okay.
So they don't share number, they don't allow sharing number. All that is there. Even if somebody corresponds, they will ask anybody contacted you. Keep on asking such questions. And the students
Okay.
also will contact telling, don't tell institute that we are contacting you directly.
Okay.
Got it? Because there is a business point there.
Okay.
So reasons can be many why people don't respond. Why do you worry about somebody who do not care, somebody who do not? What I'm saying is I also deal with a lot of people. Some people respond, some people do not respond. When I send a message to 1,000 people, I send. Tomorrow's lecture, I must have sent for 1,000 people.
Okay.
Maybe 10 people would have responded. But still I am sending now.
Yeah.
How does it matter? Because I am taking same effort. It's only broadcast.
Okay.
So 256 people, one stretch it will go. They may have many reasons for not contacting me.
Okay.
Why should I worry? Let them get some message.
Okay.
So we keep doing by sending itself. One person responding, oh, that is much, much better.
Okay.
The world is such. When you deal with 100 people, how many people, students, colleagues, friends in your life would have been with you? Thousands.
Yeah.
No, not even 10 people may be in contact with you. I'm 100% sure.
Okay.
Is it true or more?
Maybe 20 people.
Yeah. See, I also have 100 people. Maybe my classmates are still there in our group. That doesn't mean they are concerned about me. They ask me, they talk to me, they appreciate. All that will not be there. I know that I am doing so many programs every day. They cannot join everything, right? But at least once in a month, if they join also, I don't care whether they join or don't join.
Okay.
That is not what I'm saying.
Okay.
Wishing on birthday, wishing on anniversary is not what I'm saying.
Okay.
We know that this person, when I meet next time, We keep same contact, same relationship, same know. He knows what I am. I know what he is.
Okay.
See, that may be 10 people or 15 people. That's it.
Yeah.
We don't have to care
Okay.
about all that.
Okay.
I am enjoying.
Okay.
I am talking to Atira, not with any hope that Atira is going to be with me for next year or next to next year or another 10 years. I don't. There are lot of children who came, stayed with me, ate with me. So many people get in contact. They may not come back to at all. But
Okay.
I have enjoyed my time with you.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
When we go to a sightseeing place, is that place is coming along with me all the time?
Mm.
I am spending some time, I am enjoying. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am talking to Adira. Adira is talking to me. We have spent sufficient time. That is the
Okay.
enjoyment.
Okay.
You should live like that only.
Okay.
All problems are our expectations.
Okay.
Why do you expect? Need not.
Okay.
Right. See,
Okay.
2 years back, 2019, same date, I was there in Sharjah
Okay.
on an invitation from somebody.
Mm.
They were postponing date for so many days and say that we have only less number of people. We don't know whether it will become commercially viable to afford you.
Okay.
I said, what is affording? My airfare, payment for my talk, nil. Airfare, you don't have money collected, I will book my ticket and come.
Okay.
Whether you pay back or not, I don't care.
Okay.
I went there. I had a program. Beautiful. Lot of people were there. They made a lot of money. I know how much they made also.
Okay.
I don't care all that. No.
Okay.
Today, one of the younger kids' birthday was there on Facebook. So I greeted birthday on the Facebook general post.
Okay.
On message, I said, last year this day I was there in Sharjah.
Okay.
Whole day we were together. But you didn't tell that your kid's birthday was this date.
Okay.
We should have had a dinner together.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm.
One way appreciation, another way scolding is also there.
Okay.
Because they may not remember that this day I was there, but I keep posting every time what happened last year, what happened before that year. I have got a sequence in which I keep things, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
So somebody have concern, somebody may not have concern. Somebody may care you, somebody don't care you. That doesn't matter.
Okay.
You are not expecting anything more. I keep telling, no, the mother feeds the child. The mother need not expect this child will grow and then pay me something back, take care of me and all that.
Okay.
By breastfeeding, the mother is enjoying actually.
Okay.
The enjoyment is there, that's over.
Okay.
Why she is taking care of child? Because she enjoyed taking care of children. That's it.
Okay.
It should be seen like that. Every moment is what is given as a gift.
Okay.
So don't expect anything.
Okay.
But I may tell Adira this is not the way to respond because I want to polish Adira to know there is a different culture in different part of the world. If you don't appreciate, sometimes people may not take it. But all because of that.
Okay. That's fine. ഈ ഓവർ ആൻസൈറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഈ സെയിം എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ്.
Over anxiety can be with somebody is very much punctual.
Okay.
I am not able to reach at that exact time. Now today at 3:32 only I joined.
Yeah.
I told 3:30. There were 3 missed calls which I am supposed to attend.
Okay.
And one message I am supposed to send which was pending. There was somebody who was waiting for my brief for my next week talk.
Okay.
Though I put the calendar, clicked there on Google Meet, the join button was not pressed.
Okay.
Because before that something came, some other window came, so I forgot.
Okay, no problem.
Got it? No, what I'm saying is, but I am concerned.
Okay.
When it become 3:32, oh, I did not join.
Okay.
So the stress is there
Okay.
because I believe in punctuality.
Okay.
Okay. Anxiety is one form of stress.
Okay.
That is part of performing well, it should be used.
Okay.
So that I will not become too delayed, I will not become late. If somebody asks me to reach somewhere at 9:30 for a lecture, I used to reach that place 9 o'clock
Okay.
and wait outside. Until 9:30 I will be sitting outside and waiting, and then 9 o'clock I will go. 9:30 I will go.
Okay. Okay.
Why should you be there? Nothing happened. What do? I know that program is at 10 o'clock only. They are expecting 10 o'clock, but they are giving me 9:30. All this I know. Let them play game, but I am not going to play game with them.
Okay.
I will do as per. I am not going to do something great. So what to? There is a stress which makes me to do something.
Okay.
I plan accordingly so that I am relaxed. I don't have to take stress.
Okay.
So you plan very well, so that stress will not be there.
Okay.
Okay, now examination. Stress for exam. I am not able to pass. How does it matter if you don't pass? The world is not going to be end there, right? Every people who passed became great in the world. How does it matter? See, I have appeared. I am doing what I can. That's it.
Okay.
See, you know the whole Naduvil house which I have, right? For last 2 years, I did not go there.
Okay.
I don't think it is being maintained. It is not being cleaned properly. Everything would have been gone bad.
Okay.
The whole thing would have been wasted. Say, how does it matter? I must have wasted 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Let it go. How does it matter to me?
Okay.
If I go and stay there, it has to be in good position. If I am not going back there, then it's not there with me, right?
Okay.
So your concern should be always, are we permanent here in this world?
Yeah.
One day we have to go, right?
Yeah.
What is that we want? As long as we need food.
Okay.
Are we getting food?
Yeah.
Are we getting minimum dress?
Yeah.
Minimum facility?
Yeah.
I am the happiest.
Okay.
There are a lot of people don't even have it. If I don't have this, I must be stressed. I must have anxiety. Who will give me food tomorrow? Because without that we cannot live, right?
Yeah.
Everything else is luxury.
Okay.
Job is a luxury.
Okay.
I am sure if Adira don't get a job also, your parents would have earned enough for your life.
Okay.
Even if one room you can stay and the rest of the room you can give for rent also, you can do it, right?
Yeah.
How does it matter? Why people have stress? I don't understand at all. Is it because you don't have a job, you need to do a job? There are plenty of jobs in this world. You may not get salary payment. That's a different matter.
Okay.
What do you get if you get salary? Suppose somebody gets 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 rupees salary. How do they spend that money? Ultimately, you will spend it by going, probably for an international tour, they will spend 5 lakhs.
Okay.
My enjoyment is going and working in a field and doing some social service, not seeing Singapore.
Okay.
And I am not taking salary because I am enjoying here. Somebody takes salary and spend somewhere else and enjoy. How does it matter?
Okay.
So those people who think about so-called higher status, if at all it is called higher status. If at all it is called, we don't know whether it is higher status or not. No. For such people, yes. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Suppose I want to have a dress which cost maybe very costly thing. Then yes, I need to reach into that power.
Okay.
It all depends on your expectation. What do you want to do in your life? What sort of life you plan to have? Whether you have minimum facility or you don't have.
Okay.
Otherwise, just take it very light.
Okay.
That's it.
My over anxiety is about the guilty feeling. Like, if someone say me, you should do this by this time. If I can't complete that, like maybe mom may be making me to do something, or dads of dads or anyone else. So I may not be able to do it, or I may be destroying something which they own. So that sort of over anxiety, or I'm the cause of that trouble, or I have done something wrong. That panicky feeling.
Actually, that is not a problem at all. Because
Okay.
nothing is important than you and your relationship with the people. Some people may scold you because thinking that that relationship is more important, right? Then they will
Yeah.
scold you.
Okay.
They think that material is more important, they may scold you.
Okay.
Other may be to make you good, thinking that these are all what qualities which you need to be trained in that. Like I am
Okay.
scolding you for something,
Yeah.
parents also may tell you that no, you have to be like this.
Okay.
It is good if you want to improve.
Okay.
But I have got a nephew. When I
Mm.
go to Dubai, he only takes me to every place. Either it is Sharjah or Abu Dhabi. Everywhere he will drive.
Okay.
Even if I tell don't want, I will make somebody else to come and pick me up. He will say no, I will do it. I know every time when he takes me to some place, actually he's skipping his office.
Okay.
Is it not a bad habit?
It's in a way bad habit.
Yeah, so I keep telling, why are you skipping? No, I like you. See, you like me is a different matter.
Okay.
But then you are doing wrong to somebody else. So he has to balance.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
So he finds, oh, this is more important, let me do that. So everybody knows where to balance.
Okay.
What is more important? Assume that he mostly starts very late and he tries very fast. So I tell him, I am not able to be like you.
Okay.
See, it's a big fun. Actually, I am very punctual. So I take a lot of, there is a stress. I am not tensed, but I have a stress.
Okay.
He is very relaxed. Even if he is late, he don't care.
Okay.
Who is good actually? Sometimes I keep telling you are good.
Okay.
Because you are able to relaxedly do things. I am not able to do things relaxed.
Okay.
He is enjoying. Actually, I am not enjoying. I am taking more stress. But stress may be an enjoyment for me. That's an indirect stress.
Okay.
Indirect. But directly, no. But many people know, even if somebody tell him that no, you have to come tomorrow, he will not meet tomorrow. He will take his own time.
Okay.
So most of the time, whatever he wants to do becomes a failure. Punctuality is not there, business cannot be done. But he was enjoying for last 15 years, like this is life.
Okay.
Some people are very punctual, doing everything. There also can be failure, right?
Yeah, sure.
What is most important? Everything is very punctual, very keep, very neat, very sharp. Is that very important? Or let it be like this? I am enjoying.
The second one.
Yeah, it all depends. I am saying. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
See, my brother, my brother, Professor T.P. Sridharan, right?
Yeah.
He was very strict. You don't even throw, even a banana is rotten, and then he will only take that portion which is exactly rotten, he will throw, and the rest of the things also he will eat. As if I looked at him as a conjuice person in his life.
Okay.
He earned a lot of money, purchased a lot of land, made a lot of property and all that. But I don't think he enjoyed his property. Today his kids are enjoying by selling it and making money.
Okay. Yeah.
So what is important in life?
Okay.
Which cannot be answered. Very difficult to answer.
Okay.
You are enjoying now, that is most essential.
Okay.
You are not enjoying because your circumstances, your fine tuning is different, but you are put in a different world.
Okay.
Your constitution is different, but you are not in that world.
Okay.
Therefore, you feel uncomfortable.
Okay.
But you are not going to be with them throughout life. Nobody in this world is going to share somebody's life together throughout life. Even husband and wife, I will tell you.
Okay.
Because there is a private time for all of us.
Yeah.
No, 24 hours they are together also doesn't mean 24 hours together. While cooking, mother is there in the kitchen. Father is going to office, they are there. Mother is going to office, they are there. Father is going for walkings, they are alone. So everybody has got their private time, right?
Yeah.
Identify your private time.
Okay.
Think about it.
Okay.
Am I really have to be like this? Should I? Yeah, sometime you have to adjust for somebody else because we know they are going to be with us only for some time.
Okay.
Though 24 hours, I am not with them 24 hours. Let me make them happy.
Okay.
Assume I fail. You know that I am like this. I can't do better than this. Forgive. That word
Okay.
is also is good enough, right?
Yeah.
Eh?
Um.
Once you tell that word, it must go from your, yeah, I am like this. See,
Okay.
there is a saying, assume that your Ketu is in a very specific place.
Okay.
Madam, Karkada, chicken, Kani, Tram, Meenam Dashi.
Okay.
Assume your Ketu is in Meenam Dashi. Wherever you walk, your leg will keep on hitting.
Okay.
Even if you are careful, you can't help.
Okay.
That is there in your understand.
Okay.
You cannot
Okay.
help it.
Okay.
Assume your Ketu was in Madam Idavam Dashi. You will always hear something which is not to be heard.
Okay.
You can't help it.
Okay.
See, that is your horoscope is like that. Your constitution, your making is like that. You're manufactured like that.
Okay.
What is to be done? Can you change this in your life? No, very difficult.
Okay.
Okay.
So.
But yes, assume that such people are put into army. See, he cannot hit his leg wherever he walks, right? Punishment will be very trouble. So it is hard training for them.
Okay.
So somebody wanted to modify the way they behave, you can have hard training.
Okay.
But why do you are not a military? Life is not a military, right?
No.
So why do you want? I think there is an old movie in which who is acting? Murali is acting.
Okay.
He has got wife. He is an engineer.
Okay.
And he goes to a village for demolishing something, and then he finds a beautiful family where love is most important. But he comes from a very rich family where love is not important. Health is important. So he will be given only one idli, one little chutney. Calorie is computed.
Okay.
But he is a man who loves to eat.
Okay.
So he later he became in love with someone, and then he will eat there as much as he wants. He enjoys there. So his job, it's the place of job, it becomes an enjoyment.
Okay.
So he comes back and tell his wife, life is not a display item but to keep it in a shelf, to display that everything is fantastic. It is to use that and break it.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
Adira's father purchased lot of items to play.
Okay.
And now Adira is doing masters. But still the items given for you in LKG, UKG is perfectly without any damage, including the package item is also kept in the shelf, and say, all these I purchased for my daughter. What does it matter?
Okay.
Because you never used it, right?
No.
What a child will do, even if you get a helicopter, it will throw first. The leaf will break. It will not work.
Okay.
You can't tell a child, be very careful, don't throw it, don't use it and all that.
Okay.
So, everyone has got a mode in which we are manufactured, mode in which we are trained, mode in which age also will matter.
Okay.
So, you also have to see, I keep saying when somebody scolds their children, I am not looking Atira as a small child or maybe a child who is doing, when you came to me or when I met you also, I don't consider, I may tell you that, but then I will look at myself and I keep telling, Adira is going to be a big officer tomorrow, she is going to be a mother, she is going to be a wife, she is going to be an owner of a big company, she is going to be an IAS. Oh, how should I make her and how should I speak to her?
Okay.
Got it? So somebody knows I am not talking to somebody younger, I may consider them as big.
Okay.
So parents sometimes they have a high expectation.
Okay.
Relatives have got some high expectation. Neighbors will have a high expectation, but they don't know how to deal with the people. Quite possible.
Okay. Um, so ഈ ആസ്ട്രോളജിയൊക്കെ ശരിക്കും ഉള്ളതാണ്. I mean,
See, astrology is there.
okay.
Astrology is a science which is made by lot of statistics.
Okay.
But statistics always fails, may fail in some samples, right?
Yes, at times.
At times it may not be valid. So, for
Yeah.
some cases it may not be valid. And what is, do you know that every item in this world is influenced by the planets around us?
I've read of it several times.
Correct, no? And we are
Yeah.
also susceptible to all planets in the world.
Okay.
So it has an influence on us.
Okay.
But how much influence that planets have got on Dr. TPS, I have to decide now, because I took a lot of effort to make me stronger than
Okay.
all the other influences around me.
Okay.
Got it? The road is very bad.
Okay.
The road is very
Okay.
bad, may make my vehicle to jerk while I am driving.
Okay.
Only if I don't know how to drive perfectly, right?
To an extent.
Or maybe my tire, my shock absorber, my air in the tire, my manufacture, my maintenance, all that can make it much better.
Yeah.
So it depends on how good you drive.
Okay.
So your ability, your skill can be fine tuned. You are not changing the road.
Yeah. Okay.
You are not changing the car.
Mm.
You are only maintaining it well. You are only manipulating it well, so that you know how to
Okay.
drive.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Fine.
So there can be turning, there can be accidents, but you are trying to do as best as you can.
Okay.
But if somebody else don't know driving, they may come and hit you.
Okay.
You can't help it.
Mm.
But if you are a good driver, I keep saying driving license is not given to drive in such a fashion you don't hit somebody.
Mm.
It is given to avoid somebody hitting you and you know how to drive.
Okay.
If somebody is coming and then trying to hit you, you should know how to escape. That is the trick of the driving.
Okay.
That ability you should have. If that
Okay.
ability you have, no planets can influence you. Nobody can influence you.
Okay.
Somebody fall in love and then I am being trapped.
Okay.
I can't find fault with them.
Mm.
It is my fault that I got trapped.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Somebody calls me because, why on the road nobody will meet me, right? I am in contact with many people.
Yeah.
So somebody may scold me. So I was
Okay.
not evaluating them so perfect, so I got into contact.
Okay.
Possible.
Okay.
The other day somebody joined. You remember from Canada? One fellow who spoke in the beginning first.
Yeah.
He
I
all
remember.
said stupid only.
Yes.
He asked me also, why did you select
Okay.
me? I said, I know you have good ability, public
Okay.
speaking.
Yeah.
You have connectivity also possible. You are a person who don't
Okay.
care. He actually contacted me to become my friend and then started talking to me and all that. But
Okay.
your way of presentation, what you present is not at all correct.
Okay.
I want to be with me. You can learn what is it other people are doing.
Okay.
Then you are learning.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
Suppose little more knowledge you get and you get to become smooth. You can take this message to many people, no?
Yeah.
So there are a lot of people who don't even commit themselves for getting in contact. They don't even use their social ability. So once you have
Okay.
it needs to be fine-tuned a little. That's it. For that
Okay.
purpose only, I came into contact. I told him straight. I know that he was not
Okay.
doing good. I know he will not do good immediately also. But still, I will not keep him away.
Okay.
Want to give him some more trial to understand, probably he will become better and better and better.
Okay.
If somebody would have thrown me out during my childhood, I will never become what I am today.
Okay.
Some chances were given, maybe some opportunities were given. So
Okay.
I believe in giving opportunity to fine tune people. So it is not horoscope, it is not your culture, it is not the way you are today. With
Okay.
whom you are associated also will have an influence.
Okay.
More than horoscope, sometime around you who are all working with you
Okay.
can influence you, possibly can influence you.
Okay.
To that extent, I believe. Not I
Okay.
believe, I know. I don't believe, I know. Because I
Okay.
keep on talking to seeing, maybe I must have seen 10,000s of horoscopes in my life. No?
Okay, fine. One more thing. ഈ മലയാളം യൂസ് ചെയ്യുവാണേ. ഈ മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ അതിങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല എന്ന് പറയാറുണ്ടല്ലോ.
ഞാൻ
പക്ഷെ ബേസിക്കലി ഇപ്പം ഈ ചുമ്മാ ഇങ്ങനെ ബ്രീത്ത് ഒക്കെ പിടിച്ച് ഓരോരുത്തർ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നതല്ലാതെ ഈ ബ്രീത്തിനെ ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ ഒരു മേ ബി ഒരു ഒരു നിമിഷമായിരിക്കും ആ സത്വരി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആ രീതിയിലേക്ക് ധാരണ എന്നൊരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ് വരെ അവിടെ ചുമ്മാ ഇങ്ങനെ അവയറായിട്ട് ഇരിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ വരെ പഠിപ്പിച്ച ഒരു ടെക്നിക് ആണെങ്കിൽ അതങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കാൻ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായിട്ട് തോന്നുന്ന സമയത്ത് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് തെറ്റുണ്ട്. Is it a waste of time?
See, I don't know, have you seen Dr. TPS meditation anytime, that video?
Yes, I saw it.
I am doing that only, no?
Yeah, okay.
See, that is why I keep telling, I don't know whether you have seen Argentina, that lady speaks to me on meditation.
Yeah, I saw
So I
that
tell
too.
always, when you sleep on your mother's lap,
Okay.
with a grief, with a sadness, you are actually taking a deep breath.
Okay.
When you feel upset, you go on to the bed and then lying down, and then you are actually concentrating on your breath because you have nothing else to think.
Yeah.
So concentrating on air, concentrating on your breath. That's why I keep saying Vivekananda's one method of meditation is put you inside water. You only want that breath. That breath is what you enjoy during that time.
Okay. Okay.
That is very good. I am not
Okay.
against meditation practice. I am not against yoga. The way in which it is being used as a therapeutic medicine for every problem in the world.
Yeah, okay.
That
Okay.
is commercialization. That is actually foolishness. And
Okay.
I have no problem if somebody says it is Iyengar's meditation. But don't use the word Patanjali, poor fellow, who never knew this.
Okay.
Don't say pranayama is Indian tradition. Pranayama is Indian, but not Indian tradition.
Okay.
There is no Indian tradition in pranayama. But we
Okay.
have added many things over a period of time.
Okay.
Agree that. That's only what I'm saying. I also interpret and speak Gita, but I don't agree that Krishna told this. No, that I don't agree.
Okay.
Krishna will not tell all these repeatedly in every chapter 100 times, many same in 3-4 times. No good teachers will keep repeating the same thing. Only once they will tell, finish it.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So many people keep on adding to that.
Okay.
So it's all more marketing than the essence. There are many more knowledge in India, and everybody need not do yoga, meditation and all that. If you do your, see, I'll tell you, a lot of people don't even do their, spirituality has become a asylum for people who dejected in life, who got angry and lost family.
Okay.
That has become a place of no rest. Actually, that is not.
Okay.
It is something which you have to attain when you have great knowledge.
Okay.
Vivekananda did not become a dejected person to become a spiritual man.
Okay.
Krishna gave Arjuna not because Arjuna is so sad. Actually, Arjuna is a very capable person. His name itself is Vijaya.
Okay.
So he is a synonym for success in life.
Okay.
Successful people can become highly spiritual.
Okay.
Today's world, what happens is non-success people can make it as an asylum. That is where I am worried. See, I know somebody who is from America. ആ ആ ആ വന്നോട്ടെ. ഇല്ലില്ല. ആ somebody from USA came. Their job is to go around get certificates from different ashrams.
Okay.
Kundalini certificate, meditation certificate, and so that they can put it in their frame and then market it.
Okay.
Okay, they go to one ashram, stay there for 1 week, do learn something or don't learn something, we don't know what they do. They get a certificate from there.
Okay.
They want that. That has become today's world. That's it.
Okay. So one more thing. Is a law of karma, ഈ law of karma വരുന്നത് ഈ ഓൾറെഡി അത് ചെയ്തു പോയല്ലോ എന്നുള്ള ഇംപ്രഷൻസ് മനസ്സിൽ കിടക്കുന്നുണ്ടാണോ?
അല്ല.
Or is it natural?
See, it has to be. See, now I am doing this to Athira because I am enjoying it.
Okay.
I am devoted. I am passionate.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And I believe that yes, I am able to help you. I am able
Okay.
to give some knowledge. I am
Yeah.
dedicated.
Okay.
Anything which you do, I don't care. Tomorrow Adira is going to be with me, whether Adira is going to pay me, whether Adira is going to use it. I have seen that you are accepting what I am saying. You are enjoying. I am enjoying.
Okay.
Over.
Okay. Fine.
That is, I am enjoying my action, enjoying my karma.
Okay.
See, while we are thirsty, we are drinking water. Is it
Yeah.
by thinking, oh, this much calorie I have to use for doing this job?
No.
That's a want, right? Why are you breathing? Because you want it.
Okay.
Similarly, my action should be my want. Without that, I cannot live.
Okay.
I am enjoying. That's it.
Okay.
Then I will not have any accounts. I will not keep about it. I will not tell, oh, I have spent this many hours to Adira, but Adira is not talking to me. I am not unhappy. Because I enjoyed my life. During that time, this process I enjoyed. By cooking, I enjoy. If I don't enjoy by cooking, then, enjoyment comes only while eating. My cooking becomes a trouble.
Okay.
I enjoy cooking, then eating also becomes an enjoyment while eating.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Otherwise, what will happen? Oh, eating you have taken only 10 minutes, but cooking I have taken 3 hours. You will start computing the time which is required, which you have spent and all that. It doesn't matter. I am enjoying. That's it.
Okay.
So every job. So karma, don't think as per Bhagavan, karma is not your daily job, but that also is for you. For you, it is important.
Okay.
That you enjoy. Cooking you enjoy, washing you enjoy, eating you enjoy, drinking you enjoy, reading you enjoy. Don't think what will happen. Then you will not enjoy that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.